Have you ever wondered what you're actually paying for when you use a service like Paysafe? You've heard the name, maybe you've used one of their many products like Paysafe Card, Skrill, or Neteller, but when it comes to the fees, it can feel a little like a mystery. You're not alone. The truth is, Paysafe's fees can be complex because the company isn't just one thing. It's a massive global payments provider with a whole suite of different solutions for both consumers and businesses. So, let's break it down. For consumers, the most common products are Paysafe Card and Paysafe's digital wallets, Skrill and Neteller. Paysafe Card, which is a prepaid online payment voucher, is generally free to use for purchases. However, you might encounter a service fee if you have a voucher with unused credit after a certain period, which can vary by country. There's also a fee for currency conversion if you're making a purchase in a currency different from the one on your voucher. For Skrill and Neteller, which are digital wallets, fees are often tied to specific actions, like uploading money, withdrawing funds, or currency conversion. For example, a fee might apply to a bank transfer withdrawal, while another fee is charged for converting your funds from euros to US dollars. Now, for businesses, it gets a little more complex. Paysafe offers a wide range of services, including online payment processing, in-person card readers, and eCash solutions. Unlike some other providers that have a set, publicly available fee structure, Paysafe's pricing for businesses is often tailored. This means they give you a custom quote based on several factors, including your industry, your monthly transaction volume, and the types of payments you need to accept. So, while a high-volume e-commerce business might get a different rate than a local shop using a card reader, some common fees you might see in a business contract include per-transaction charges, a percentage fee of the transaction value, and potentially monthly or annual fees. You might also encounter other specific fees for things like chargebacks or a retrieval fee if a customer's bank requests more information about a transaction. The key takeaway is that Paysafe's fees aren't a one-size-fits-all situation. Whether you're a consumer using a prepaid card or a business looking for a payment processor, the specific fees you'll face depend on the product, the service, and the transaction. The best way to understand the costs is to check the specific terms and conditions for the product or to get a detailed quote directly from Paysafe if you're a business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.